This is my Madea 5000 BTU window air conditioner. This is probably what I'm dating to maybe a 2022 model. It's in relatively good shape other than the few dings on the radiator. Now, a lot of people might call these junk, but this one is actually server friendly. Now, sorry about that, guys. I apologize. My idiotic brother thinks it's funny to be weird. This is cleaned and serviced to the maximum. Let's go ahead and start it up on compressor on this thing sounds fairly nice. It's a very nice air conditioner. Let's go ahead and start on low cool. Other than the fact that the blower wheel is some piece of junk impeller thing, this is a fairly good air conditioner. It's quiet, and I'm going to pause the video again. Now, as I was saying, this thing has been cleaned. My phone is currently not at the top battery percentage, so the light is not currently working. The tracks are clean. I lost one of the screws for that, and I'm going to replace it. Don't freak out. But if I could flip this thing around without making a huge scene, it's blowing nice and hot evenly. It's fairly quiet on the low speed. This is a great bedroom air conditioner. It is for sale. So if you live in the Kansas area, Brown County, this is for sale. It will be going up on Marketplace today. But I figured making a little initial checkout video on it just to kind of show you guys how decent this thing is. It's for modern AC, this thing's actually decent. And I don't say that about very many modern air conditioners. Throwing in, the breeze on the condenser itself is not very even. We can look up over here and see that it is very, very clean. And for some reason my flash failed again. If I can show you guys, bottom pan is spotless. There's a dead fly down there. Probably flew into the fan, but this thing is spotless. Now, that's just a low fan. High fan. And off. Okay, my light is strobing on my phone. Sorry about that. But this is a revamp unit. I completely cleaned it out, brought it back to its original state, other than the fact that I didn't clean the motor bracket or the blade because it wasn't that dirty. But you can see that this thing is still very, very clean. You can look over to the compressor. I don't know if I'd be able to get you guys